What's up, everyone? Hopefully all the fathers had a great Father's Day. I know I did. We're going to go ahead today and we're going to look at some of the special buys of the day at Home Depot. Looks like they got a bunch of tools again, which is always awesome. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to look at here is they got the M12 combo kit. It's a 5-tool kit, and then it comes with the M12 3/8" ratchet, which is a great buy. I purchased mine a while ago, and I really love it. So that's a nice addition to this 5-tool kit. As you guys can see here, you're going to pick up the drill, the impact, the hacksaw, multi-tool, a light, and of course, like I said, the ratchet, 2 batteries, charger, and a contractor's bag, all for $289, regularly $499. Pretty good deal there. You're saving $210. Looks like they got another 5-tool combo kit here. This one is going to come with the compact bandsaw. So you're going to get pretty much all the same tools as the last one. You're going to get the drill, the hacksaw, the impact, light, multi-tool, 2 batteries, the charger, bag, and then this one's going to have the M12 compact bandsaw. This one you're going to be spending $369 on, normally $578. You're going to be saving $209 on this one. Now remember, these are the special buys of the day, so time is running out. Here's another M12 3-tool kit. This one comes with the M12 hacksaw, reciprocating saw. You're going to be able to pick up this 3-tool kit with the added hacksaw reciprocating saw, so that's actually 4 tools. You're going to get this for $218, regularly $389. Total savings of $171. You guys can see it's going to come with the 2 1.5 amp hour batteries, 4 tools, the charger, and the contractor's bag. Not a bad deal there for $218. They got the M12 2-tool combo kit, but they're throwing in the cut-off saw. As you guys can see, you're going to be paying $289 for this. It's regularly $339. So you're going to be saving about $50 on this. Our next deal we got here is the M12 drill driver and impact driver with 2 1.5 amp hour batteries, the charger, tool bag, and then you're also going to get the 45-piece bit kit by Milwaukee. You're going to be able to pick this up for $115. So here's another combo kit here. This is the M12 hammer drill, impact driver combo kit. Then you're also going to get the 4-in-1 drill driver for $329, regularly $379. So another $50 savings there on this one. This kit's also going to come with a 2.0 amp hour battery and a 4 amp hour battery. You get the 2 belt clips, which come in handy, and the contractor's bag, all for $329. Let me know what you guys think about the Milwaukee M12 line of power tools in the comments below. I actually like them a lot, but I'd like to get your guys' feedback. So go ahead and put a comment below. Let's move on to the next deal. Alright, so the next special buy that we got here is the M18 Fuel 1/2-inch hammer drill driver kit with Sawzall. You're going to be able to pick up the hammer drill, 2 5.0 batteries, the charger, and the carry case, along with them throwing in the reciprocating saw, all for $249, regularly $428. Total savings of $179. Alright, here's another Milwaukee M18 1/2-inch drill driver kit. This one's going to come with a 6.5-inch circular saw. You can pick this up for $239, regularly $418. Total savings of $178. This kit's also going to come with the 2 5.0 amp hour batteries, charger, hard case, you guys can see there, for $239. Alright, here we got the M18 Fuel 1/4-inch hex impact driver kit. This one's going to come with the Sawzall also. This one's coming in at $249. Total savings of $178. Looks like this one comes with 2 5.0 amp hour batteries, also the charger and hard case. So pretty good deal there. And then they also got the 1/4-inch impact driver kit. This one's going to be with the 6.5-inch circular saw. This one's also going to be $249. And just like the last one, you guys can see there, it comes with the 5.0 amp hour batteries, 2 of those, the hard case and the charger. Alright, back to the M12. We got the M12 Surge Impact and Drill Combo Kit. This is the 2-tool kit. Doesn't look like it comes with an extra tool with this one, but you do get 2 batteries and the bag for $199. Regularly $299, so $100 savings on this one. Never tried the M12 Surge Impact. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments below also. As you guys can see, you're going to get the 2 tools, and along with that you get the 4.0 amp hour battery and the 2.0 amp hour battery, charger, and contractor's bag, all for $199. Alright, moving on to some Ryobi tools. They got the 6-tool combo kit here. Comes with 2 batteries, charger, and the bag. Got this for $169, regularly $299. But I want to say I seen the 6-tool combo kit for $199 at my Home Depot recently. So this might be marked down even more. As you guys can see, you're going to get the 1/2-inch drill driver, 1/4-inch impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, multi-tool, and the LED flashlight, along with a 4.0 amp hour battery, a 1.5 amp hour battery, the compact charger, and then the tool bag, all for $169. Right here they got the Ryobi 2-tool combo kit with 5.5-inch circular saw and the orbital jigsaw. These are the tools only. You're going to get both of these for $79. Regularly $138, so a savings of $59. Next up we got the Ryobi compact router and then the 5-inch random orbit sander. These are also the tools only. These are going to be $79, regularly $128, so you're going to have a savings of $49 on this one. Here's the Ryobi 18-volt 2-tool combo kit. This is the speaker and then the hybrid portable fan. These are the tools only. Picked this up for $99. Total savings of $39, regularly $138. So here's the Ryobi 3-tool combo kit. It's going to come with the speaker, the fan, the LED work light. These are the tools only. And then they're going to throw in the Link rolling toolbox. You get this for $219, regularly $301. So a little bit more savings on this at $82 savings. All right, we'll go ahead and move on to some Dewalt tools here. We got the 20-volt to 60-volt max lithium ion cordless combo kit. This is the 3-tool kit here. You're going to be able to pick this up for $429, regularly $599, so $170 savings there. You guys can see you're going to get the drill driver, the impact driver, circular saw. You're going to get a 5.0 amp battery, the 6.0 amp hour battery, 1 charger, and then the contractor bag, all for $429. All right, next up we got the Atomic 20-volt 2-tool combo kit, and then you get a bonus with the circular saw. You're going to get the drill driver, the impact driver, the circular saw. You're going to get 2 1.3 amp hour batteries, a charger, and contractor bag. This is going to come in at $199. Total savings of $169. So 3 tools there, 2 batteries, a charger, and a contractor's bag for $199. Not a bad deal. All right, here is another Atomic 20-volt 2-tool combo kit, plus you're going to get the oscillating tool here. This is also going to be $199. You're going to get the drill driver, impact driver, and then you'll get the added oscillating tool, 2 1.3 amp hour batteries, the charger, and the contractor bag. This is also $199. Total savings of $179 there. So once again, 3 tools, 2 batteries, a charger, and contractor's bag. Alright, here they got the Atomic 20-volt compact 1/2-inch drill driver, and then you're going to get 2 of the 1.3 amp hour batteries, and then they're going to throw in the oscillating tool. This is $179, regularly $308. And then of course you'll get the contractor's bag with that also. Alright, here we got the 2-tool combo kit again, but they're going to throw in the compact reciprocating saw. This one's going to come in at $229. Total savings of $209, regularly $438. So nice pickup there. Here they got the 2-tool combo kit, and they're throwing in the reciprocating saw. This one's going to come in at $199. So just like the others, you're going to get the drill driver, you're going to get impact driver, you're going to get two 1.3 amp hour batteries, the charger, the contractor's bag. But with this kit, you're going to get the reciprocating saw. This is going to be $199, savings of $169. All right, in this deal, we just got the compact 1/2-inch drill driver. This is the brushless, of course. You're going to get the two 1.3 amp hour batteries, but in this combo, you're going to get the 6.5-inch circular saw. This one's going to come in at $179, regularly $294, so $115 off on this one. All right, back to some Milwaukee tools here. We got the 18-volt 1/2-inch hammer drill driver kit. This one's going to come with three 5.0 amp hour batteries, the hard case, the charger, all coming in at $249, regularly $448, total savings of $199. Here's a similar deal, but this one's going to have the 1/2-inch drill driver kit, also going to come with three 5 amp hour batteries, the charger and hard case. This one's going to come in at $239. All right, here we got the M18 brushless 1/2-inch compact hammer drill driver kit. This one's going to come with two batteries, the charger and the case. This one's going to come in at $149, regularly $199. This one's going to come with the CP 2.0 amp hour batteries, the charger and contractor's bag. All right, here we got the M12 rotary toolkit. This one's going to come with one 1.5 amp hour battery, the charger, the tool bag. Looks like it's got some discs there, some cutting wheels. You're going to be able to pick this up for $79, regularly $119, so $40 savings on this one. All right, here we got the M12 Fuel stubby 3/8-inch impact wrench kit with, it says, a free M12 4.0 amp hour battery. So it looks like you're going to get three batteries with this kit. You're going to get the stubby, you're going to get the 4.0 amp hour battery, you're going to get the 2.0 amp hour battery, the charger, and the soft carry case here for $259, regularly $358. All right, here we got the M12 oscillating multi-tool kit, and then this is going to come with the M12 rocket stand light. You pick this up for $299, total savings of $89. So if you take a look here, you're going to get the multi-tool. It says a 4.0 amp hour battery. You can get some blades for the multi-tool, some sanding sheets, the charger, contractor's bag, and then of course they're going to throw in the rocket stand light here. You'll be able to pick this up for $299. All right, here is the M18. It's the brushless 4.5-inch grinder. You can pick this up for $159, regularly $229. This is going to be the tool only here. So savings of $70 on this one. All right, go ahead and move on to some Ryobi ONE+ HP tools here. Here we got the multi-tool kit with the 2 amp hour high performance battery, the charger, and then you're going to get the 16-piece blade set for $149. So you guys can see there, you get the 16-piece blade set, 2.0 amp hour battery, the compact charger, and then of course the brushless multi-tool for $149, regularly $199. Next up for the HP line, we got the 7 1/4 circular saw kit. This one's going to come with a 4.0 amp hour battery, the charger, and then you're going to get 4 replacement blades, all for $159, regularly $195, total savings of $36. All right, here is the HP reciprocating saw with 4.0 amp hour battery. You get the charger, and then you're going to get a 35-piece blade set along with this. So it looks like it comes with a multi-purpose blade set, 35-piece, 4.0 amp hour battery, charger, and then the brushless reciprocating saw. This is going to come in at $169, regularly $248 for this kit, savings of $79. Alright guys, so that's going to be about it for this video. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. You guys got any comments, put them below. you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, hit that subscription button and that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will talk to you later.